Welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to set up and use layers in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. Layers in Autocad are extremely important because they help organize your drawings and make complex projects much easier to manage. By separating objects into different layers, you can control visibility, colors, line types, and editing more efficiently. To get started, open AutoCAD and locate the Layer Properties Manager. You can access it in two ways. The first method is by clicking the Layer Properties button on the toolbar. The second method is by typing Layer into the command line and pressing Enter. Once the Layer Properties Manager opens, you'll see all your existing layers. From here, you can create new layers, rename them, assign colors, and organize your project structure. To create a new layer, click the New Layer button. Give your layer a clear and descriptive name, such as walls, dimensions, text, or furniture. Naming layers properly makes your workflow much more organized later on. You can also assign different colors to each layer. This helps visually separate objects and makes it easier to identify different parts of your drawing. After setting up your layers, close the Layer Properties window. Now it's time to move objects into the correct layers. Select the objects you want to organize. These can be lines, shapes, dimensions, text, or any other drawing elements. Next, go to the Home tab and locate the Layer section. You'll see a Layer drop-down menu showing all available layers in your project. Click the drop-down menu and choose the layer where you want the selected objects to go. Instantly, the selected objects will move to that layer. You'll notice the objects may also change color if the new layer has a different assigned color. This is a quick visual confirmation that the objects were successfully reassigned. Using layers properly keeps your drawings clean, professional, and easy to edit, especially on large projects with many overlapping elements. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.